Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward guide on how to withdraw BNB from Binance to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step process will help you move your funds safely and efficiently. Why do this? Well, diversifying your holdings across exchanges like Binance and Coinbase can reduce risks and give you more flexibility. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Binance and Coinbase, and that your BNB is readily available in your Binance wallet. Let's dive in. Step 1. Log into your Binance account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet tab at the top of the page. Step 2. In the Wallet section, click on Withdraw. This will bring up a list of your assets. Step 3. Search for BNB in the search bar and select it. You'll see options for the network. Make sure to choose BNB Smart Chain, as that's the most compatible for this transfer. Step 4. Now, enter your Coinbase wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes that could lead to lost funds. You can find your Coinbase address by logging into Coinbase, going to your wallet, and copying the BNB address. Step 5. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and transaction fees displayed on screen. Step 6. Review all the details carefully, including the network, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication if required. After that, sit tight. The transfer usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log into your Coinbase account and check your wallet to confirm the BNB has arrived. A quick tip: always verify network compatibility to prevent errors, and never share your private keys. If you're new to crypto, start with a small amount to test the process. There you have it. That's how you withdraw BNB from Binance to Coinbase in 2025. It's easier than it sounds, right? If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.